Yeah, YouTube, just a kind of quick revisit. I can't remember what's number Cxd this was. But yeah, anyway, it's the Cxd Beetle. I can't remember what scale that's meant to be now. I think it's 16th or 18th scale. So they obviously done the black one, and they sort of promised the release of a white one. Just having a quick go with the black one on the table, managed to drive it off the table and break the bumper, but you know, these things happen, part of the hobby. And so we've already done an unboxing with the black one, and so I see the white one come up on AliExpress. So let's just have a quick compare. I mean, it's obviously going to perform the same and everything as the black one that I've already done an unboxing and review on. Managed to get the 2 battery version. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing, because I can't see the camera at the moment. So, in the box we obviously have the controller, the car, and the chrome bits to go on it. And yes, kind of like a creamy grey type white, but it looks cool. Let's try and get it out of the box. And obviously, nothing that I need, I haven't got handy. So I'm going to try and keep this as a relatively short unboxing. Controller. This is your standard little mini controller there. Obviously, there's a screw to kind of keep the cover in place. And it's 2 AA batteries. The controllers obviously left on. I don't know why they've held the back in with screws, but I guess it keeps it secure. On these, the batteries live under the bonnet or hood for our American friends. And clip them nicely into place there. Yeah, it's only the bonnet that opens on these, or hood. So we have the lights. So we have brake lights, headlights. It is proportional. nice detailed stuff. The roof is removable, so you can see the interior and stuff. I don't know if I've got the nails to get it off at the moment, but yeah, if you can get your nails under there or a plastic pick. So if you can see the interior maybe? Yeah, just about. So just going to pause you there and throw the chrome accessories on, then we'll have a quick look at the two side by side. Yeah, so we're back. So we've got the accessories on. This one actually comes with the latch for the bonnet, and it doesn't have a broken bumper because I haven't crashed it yet. Yeah, sort of. I think the colour I was trying to think of, rather than sort of like grey off white, is teal. But that's what they class as the white one. So reasonably scale. I managed to get the roof off in the end, so you can sort of see the interior maybe. Not the best of light, unfortunately. But yeah, so I think it performs pretty much the same as the other one. Silent motors on these pretty much. About the one thing I could do with is some number plates. Would sort of help the scale look. And little tiny red lights on the back. Unfortunately you can see the LEDs through the body to a point, but for a two-wheel drive it's actually kind of got reasonable articulation. Obviously I don't think it'd be much for an off-roader, maybe a light trail car or something a little bit different. It's probably something like the thumbnail, I'm guessing. So yeah, and just a little introduction to the channel for this one, and it's nice to have something a little bit different in the collection because I've only just brought this colour one out, so I think it feels exactly the same as the other one, obviously just in a different colour. But anyway, thanks for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe and share if you can, and have a good day and see you next time. Bye for now.